not-so-good street. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. It's open in there, in the wide open air. Out there things can happen, and frequently do, to people as brainy and footsy as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew. Just go right along. Are not marked. Some windows are lighted, but mostly they're dark. Do you dare to stay out? Do you dare to go in? How much can you lose? How much can you win? All alone, whether you like it or not, alone will be something you'll be quite a lot. On and on you will hike, and I know you'll hike far, and face up to your problems, whatever they are. Life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left.